Welcome to Money Patrol User Guide video tutorial. For this video, you will be learning everything there is to know about Money Patrol's alerts and notifications. Let's get started. Alerts and Notifications History. This displays all alerts and notifications you have received via email or text message. It provides information such as the date when the alert was sent, the mode of transmission, the alert type, and the alert content. Alert type. This filter allows you to examine alerts based on how they were delivered. Time period. This allows you to search for alerts based on the days it was delivered. Select a number of entries you want to be displayed on your screen or utilize the search bar to look for specific alerts that you want to view. If you wish to edit these alerts, click Alert Preferences. This will take you to the Alert Settings page, where you can edit or change how you want these alerts to be delivered and what types of alerts you want and don't want to receive. In the alert settings, you can enable desktop app notifications and specify whether you want to receive alerts from Money Patrol via text message, email, or both. You can also set which types of alerts you want to receive as well as how you want to receive them. Money Patrol provides a list of notifications. It is strongly advised that you enable all alerts in order to keep updated about your financial activities, patterns, reminders, and insights. These alerts will keep you informed about the state of your money and, in some situations, will assist you in detecting fraud and questionable activity. To totally disable all text and email alerts, uncheck all of the text and email alerts in the table. Also, if you make any changes to your choices, please remember to click Save to save these changes. You can set a threshold limit for your expense and income by clicking Set Threshold Limit. In the pop-up window, enter the amount you want to set and then click Save to apply this change. Money Patrol will send an alert via text or email only when you have transactions that have reached above the configured limit. And this is it for alerts and notifications. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please watch the other user guide videos to learn more about Money Patrol.